Large language models are transforming everything from the way we search and write to the way we build software. And if you're a developer, this is your moment. Because behind every AI-powered product, whether it's a chatbot, a tutor, a search agent, or a research assistant, is someone who knows how to build with LLMs. This course will show you how to become that person. Welcome to the AI Engineering Bootcamp on building AI applications, a hands-on, project-based course designed to teach you how to build real-world applications using cutting-edge AI tools. You'll go far beyond the basics of just ChatGPT and explore the real developer tools powering modern AI apps, including working with LLMs and APIs like OpenAI and Gemini, building using LangChain, LangGraph, and LangSmith, using embeddings, vector databases, RAG pipelines, and much more. And if none of this sounds familiar to you, well, by the end of the course, you're gonna learn it all. And we're not just talking theory here. You'll actually build end-to-end applications like a conversational AI agent using Gemini API, a healthy daily meal planner using the OpenAI API and DALL-E, a document-based QA system using LangChain and Pinecone, an essay writer powered by LangGraph and reasoning agents, and the master project, the biggest project of them all, a full-featured scientific research assistant that combines everything: LLMs, RAGs, embeddings, search tools, and decision-making agents. It's gonna be a blast. As you can see, this isn't just an intro to AI. This is developer training for the new era of programming. Andre Dumitrescu is going to be the instructor of this course. And this course is going to give you the skills and confidence to build production-ready AI applications. Let's get started.